case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard the case of Smith v. Montoro, which centered on an actor's right to sue under the Lanham Act for damages caused by false advertising and unfair competition. Paul Smith, the actor, alleged that Italian film company Produzioni Atlas Cinematografica, PAC, had removed his name from a film's credits and advertising and replaced it with another actor's name, causing harm to his reputation and loss of job opportunities. Smith's contract with PAC included star billing provisions, which he believed would be honored in subsequent distribution deals. The district court initially dismissed Smith's lawsuit, stating that he did not have a valid claim under the Lanham Act. However, on appeal, the Ninth Circuit reversed the decision, finding that Smith did have a valid claim and the right to sue for damages. The appeals court also reversed the dismissal of Smith's state law claims for breach of contract and unfair competition. The landmark decision in Smith v. Montoro established that an individual can sue under the Lanham Act for damages resulting from false advertising and unfair competition, even if they are not in direct competition with the defendant and even if their name is not registered as a trademark.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.